In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit or delete a refund or customer credit in Wave. First, head over to your Wave dashboard, then click on Sales and Payments from the left-hand side menu of your screen. From the options that appear, click on Invoices. After that, you will see all your invoices. I currently have 2 invoices. Now I'm going to show you how to both edit and delete a refund, and also how to edit or delete a customer credit. To find your refund or customer credit, simply click on the invoice, scroll down, and under the Manage Payment section, you will be able to see all the statuses. In my example, the client paid $250, but the invoice was $150, which means there is a $100 overpayment. Of that overpayment, $50 was given back to the client as a refund. To edit this refund, click on the Edit option under the refund. Here, you can change the date, amount, payment method, account, or even the note. Once you have made the desired changes, click on Submit, and the refund will be updated. If you want to delete the refund completely, click on the Remove option under the refund, then click on Remove Record. After this, the refund will be successfully removed, and as you can see, the invoice now shows a negative $50 amount due, reflecting the deletion of the refund. Next, I will show you how to edit or delete the customer credit. This process is similar to editing or deleting a refund, but you need to understand one important detail. If you have already applied that customer credit to a new invoice, it will not automatically be removed if you delete it from the original invoice. Therefore, if you are editing or removing a customer credit, make sure to make the same changes in any new invoices where that credit has been applied. For example, I currently have a new invoice where $50 was paid using the customer credit from the overpayment on the previous invoice. You can edit this customer credit in the same way as a refund, adjusting the amount or other details. If you want to remove it, click on Remove as before. However, after removing the customer credit from the original invoice, if you check the new invoice, you will see that the applied credit is still there. In this case, you need to manually remove the credit from the new invoice as well to ensure your records are accurate. This is how you can edit or delete a refund or customer credit in Wave while keeping your records correct and up to date.